Have you ever created a low ticket product and all of a sudden, you are like, okay, how do I sell this? I don't have an audience. I don't have too much money to spend on ads, and I also don't have, a big audience or a big following. What do I do? Well, good news is I'm gonna show you today the specific strategies that you can use to sell your low ticket offer using AI. Okay, this is exciting. This is awesome because I love teaching about this. My name is Diakri, and I'm here as not your AI guru, not as your funnel guru, but as your friend and confidant and advisor, because I have seen so many business owners leave money on the table. And the reason why they do that is because they don't know. They don't know how to automate. They don't know how to figure out if AI can actually help them. And so they end up spending so much money, right? They end up spending so much money on their funnels, on their websites. And it's like, guys, come on. We are in 2025. AI has taken over almost every single aspect of your business. Why are you not using it, right? Why are you not using it? So to recap, I'm just going to share my screen here. And last time we went through and figured out that, hey, we could actually make 5,000 pieces of content using AI. And the way you do that, again, is you go live on YouTube, or you record one video and then you edit that video. And once you edit it, you can then turn that into a blog post, a podcast, and then you can actually get, images from that and shorts from that. We saw, if you haven't seen that video, please go back on my YouTube channel and watch that video on how you can create these 5,000 pieces of content per year. I mean, I'm saying 5,000, that's just an underestimate. The real number is 6,084 pieces of content, right? So let's see. Your aim as a business owner, again, it doesn't matter what you're doing. It doesn't matter if you're doing transcription. It doesn't matter if you're doing real estate. It doesn't matter what business you're in. You need to have these aspects of running your business, right? You got to have leads, right? You give out content, free content. Again, YouTube videos, whatever, podcasts, blogs. You got to give out that free content. And then after that, you got to take your free content or a version of it and get those people who are opting in to your free content, your lead magnet, so to say, into becoming customers. So they think the biggest mistakes that people make that I have seen in the industry is that people skip these two things right here. And once you skip these two things and you go straight to customer ascension, you're basically telling somebody, a stranger you just met on the street, and you're like, hey, my name is Diakri. By the way, do you want to buy my $2,000 offer? Like, that's not going to work. That is not going to work. You have to take them on a date, get to know them, go on a walk, right? That's what the free content is. That's what the low ticket offer is, right? And basically, you're getting them to trust you. You're taking them from not knowing you to knowing you. From not trusting you to trusting you by using these steps, right? Eventually, we're going to see how we can convert people into our high ticket products. So the best high converting lead magnets, I actually just learned a really tiny secret here. If you want to make money with your lead magnet, you can actually, instead of using your own lead magnet, you can actually use somebody else's, or insert somebody else's offer inside your lead magnet, which will then, we call this affiliate offer, right? So with the affiliate offer, you're basically adding something small into the checklist, into the cheat sheet, into the free mini course, right? You're adding a small affiliate link that if somebody signs up, the people who sign up will then be able to basically say, hey, I like this little mini ticket that you have here, or mini or whatever product that you have here. I'm gonna go and buy it, and once they buy it, you get a kickback. Boom. So basically, you just made money from a lead magnet. Again, I don't recommend doing this strategy, but it is a strategy that actually works. It is a strategy that will then give you money potentially for ads. Okay, so the first mistake that a lot of people make is relying heavily on organic content. Oh, I'm just gonna write a blog a day. I'm just gonna write 2 blogs, and maybe people will come into my website and see what I offer. No, that's wrong. You have to tackle it head on. You have to tackle it head on, guys. Don't just think that people will just come out of nowhere. No, you have to tell them that you exist. My friend Alex Morzi always says, if you are under $1 million, hear me out. If you are under $1 million, in the first 4 hours of the day, you should be either creating content, reaching out to people, or running ads. If you're not doing that, it's gonna be tough for you to reach $1 million, right? So 100% get on it. Don't just rely on, hey, I'm just gonna put this course together, and hopefully when somebody comes on my website, hopefully they'll see it. No. Dude, put the course together, advertise it, create content about it, create viral content about it. If you haven't seen my video about how to create viral content, go on my YouTube channel and find it there. It will show you how to create viral pieces of content, right? The other thing that people are not doing is they are not empowering their funnels. They are not empowering their websites. They are not turning their websites into smart websites, so to say. What do I mean by smart website? Smart website is basically, hey, this website is here, but it's actually smart in that it has a phone number that you can call, and once you call that phone number, I'm not going to be the one to answer it. Somebody else is going to answer it. An AI is going to answer it, and once that AI answers it, right, you can then get the information that you need from there. Right. So that's the first thing. The second thing is that the content on your website should have, an SEO piece to it that constantly updates itself. There's tools for that. Don't come at me for that. There's tools for that. If you want me to do it for you, I will link my calendar in the chat here or in the description, and you can book a meeting with me, and I can show you how to do exactly just that. Right? The other thing is a chatbot, right? Always add a chatbot on your funnel. If you don't have a chatbot on your funnel, on your website, you're missing out. So those are the mistakes that people make when they don't, when starting out and when creating. You gotta avoid those mistakes. Basically, don't just put together a low ticket offer and be like, people will come. I'm just gonna sit back and relax, right? I'm just gonna create content here and there. No, you gotta advertise. You gotta make sure that your funnel is AI powered. We're in 2025, guys. 2025. If you're not doing that, you're missing out. So the first thing that you need to do, again, create the lead magnet, right? Set up a landing page. If you don't know how to set up a landing page, there's this tool called Go High Level. GoHighLevel.com, and this tool is amazing. Everybody loves it. I love it because this tool can actually help you capture, nurture, and close clients. Right? Basically, this is the marketing engine that a lot of people use. You can create websites, funnels, landing pages, easy drag and drop. If you don't know how to set this up, please check my description. I will put in my calendar link, and then you can book a meeting with me, and then I can show you how to set this up for yourself. Right? So use Go High Level to basically set up your 2 landing pages. Those 2 landing pages are your lead magnet, and after that, after somebody opts into your lead magnet, right away send them to your low ticket offer. right? It could be a mini course, it could be an ebook, it could be a workbook template, it could be a checklist or a cheat sheet, it could be an AI power tool. This is what I'm putting together for you. That's my secret, right? That's what I'm putting together for you. And this tool is going to be so cool in that you're going to be able to come in, have a business in a box. Oh, I said too much. All right, moving on. Notion template. It could be a Notion template or Google Sheets. It could be an Excel spreadsheet. It could be a challenge, a 5 or 7 day challenge. I actually did do a challenge last year, and that was a lot of fun. I got people to pay $97. It was really, really cool. Highly recommend that you run a challenge. It could be an accountability program. It could be a $1 or $9 trial for membership, exclusive mini course or mini communities or whatever. Communities are huge nowadays, actually. If you don't have a community right now, I recommend you go set one up on schools.com. And school.com is such a cool community in that you will get a whole bunch of people coming in and watching your content, and basically it'll become an exclusive mini community, or however you want to do that, right? You can charge people for that. That's something I'm also going to put together for people, so that if you want to talk about AI, boom, join my community, boom, let's go, right? It's definitely going to be a paid community because I'm giving so much content out there, and this is this is really good. I hope you're enjoying it. So it could be a service-based offer, right? Hey, maybe it could be an audit. Don't just audit somebody's website just for the sake of it. Get them to pay for it. Be like, hey, yeah, I'll do it. It's only $27. Come on, right? I'll audit your website, no problem. It could be a strategy call. I'm not gonna charge you for a strategy call for now, but if I do get a lot of people booking my content, I'm definitely gonna be charging, right? A done for you setup, quick service, QuickBooks. I'll set up your QuickBooks for free or something. Not for free, obviously. I set up your QuickBooks or your Xero for $97, right? That could be a really good low ticket offer if you're a bookkeeper. Or there's a lot of people who just like, I don't know what to do. I don't know how to set it up. Can you set it up for me? Yes, right? So I'm just going through some ideas of what potential low ticket offer could be, and these are really, really good low ticket offers that you should have or you should think about for your business. It doesn't matter what kind of business you're in, right? It could be a mini kit. Oh, that's a good idea. It could be a software and tech low SaaS subscription again, right? It could be a go high level subscription. It could be whatever. Automation product subscription, newsletter, or private podcast, or microship. And the reason why these low ticket offers I just run through are really good is because they solve a specific problem and they require minimum fulfillment. This is something that, again, everybody should have. It doesn't matter if you're a bookkeeper, accountant, cybersecurity. I don't care. You should have a low ticket offer on your website, in your funnel, however you want to do that, right? Easy to say yes to, right? It's very low. It's like what, $27. That's nothing. That's nothing for me, right? I'm gonna give that to you, no problem. Right? You're gonna solve my problem right away after you just told me I had problem, right? In your lead magnet, bonus. Okay, so you might be asking, okay, how do I set this up so that I get people to download my lead magnet? I mean, the second step that you should set up, 100% should set up, is as soon as somebody downloads your lead magnet, send them at least an email, send them at least a text message, and then bonus if you don't have to do this, send them a voicemail. Hey, I see you just downloaded my lead magnet on how to, avoid taxes this year. That's great. I would love to hear back from you and what you're going through. Give me a call back on this number or send me an email. Oh, imagine how that person will feel once they just download that lead magnet and they're getting a voicemail from you. they'll be like, whoa, this person cares a lot, right? And then the next thing they know is you're sending them emails telling them, hey, I know I just sent you a lead magnet on how to avoid taxes this year, but are you interested in me doing a quick audit of what you have set up? It's only going to cost you $97. What do you think they're going to say? They already got an email, they got a text message from you, and they got a voicemail. And the next thing you're saying is that you're offering to do a $97 audit? Boom, done deal, right? So that's how you go about creating this to empower your funnel, to empower your roadmap, your client journey. Go through and sign up for a tool like Assistable.ai. This tool basically takes your funnel and adds voice to it and even adds chat to it, right? So you can see this is a tool I just stumbled upon this morning, and a lot of people seem to be loving it. I haven't tried it yet. I'm not an affiliate whatsoever, but it looks like it's gonna work with Go High Level as well, which is actually really cool, which means you're gonna need Go High Level and this tool. And by the way, this tool is by the minute offer, so it means that it's actually free. So which means, if your price per minute for client is 21 cents and you click here, so if you do a call time of 5 minutes, it's actually going to cost you 70 cents. Whoa, look at that, right? Isn't that cool? I love it. I'm going to be integrating this into my funnels everywhere, right? The other thing you can do if you're creating content on social media is use a tool called ManyChat. ManyChat is a tool that will basically get your Facebook and Instagram followers and basically message them and DM them at the same time. Highly recommend you sign up on that. Once it's set up, it's pretty easy to manage. Every time you post a video, you just say, hey, I just posted, or I just created a checklist on how to avoid taxes for this year. If you want to download the tax, please comment the word tax 2025, right? And then ManyChat will recognize that somebody commented 2025 tax 2025, and then it will start DMing them and say, hey, check your DM, here's your lead magnet, blah blah blah, right? So these tools are powerful. So you can use it on Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger. Look at that, you can even use it on TikTok, right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna come up with a viral TikTok strategy, which I've already covered, which I've already put together. Watch that video on my YouTube channel. You are going to create, if you have the budget for this, you're going to create, Instagram or Facebook ads, and then you're also going to create some YouTube shorts. I also covered how to create YouTube shorts from one video. Take one video and turn it into 10 shorts. I already covered that. You can use Opus Clip for that. And if you want to see that video, go to my channel on YouTube and you will see that. Now that I've done that, so let's recap. You're taking people from your lead magnet to your low ticket offer. And how you do that is you advertise your low ticket offer or your lead magnet, or you create content around that. And once people start downloading it, you push them to the low ticket offer. And if they only download your lead magnet and don't buy from you, send them emails, send them text messages, send them voicemails, and then get your bots, get your AI to basically keep nurturing them, right? Again, you saw how to do that with Assistable.ai. I hope that was helpful. I hope that made sense. I hope you now see the path forward, and I hope you actually understand that, hey, it's actually not that hard, to be honest. It's actually not that hard. And if you go back and create a lead magnet that also has an affiliate link, boom, you're going to be set, right? So like and subscribe. Actually, you know what? I'm doing something new now. Don't even like and subscribe. All I want you to do is just give me a thumbs up. thumbs up on that video on YouTube or on TikTok.